If you want to get rid of puffiness, dark circles and tired looking skin around your eye area, LumiSpa Accent and LumiSpa Ideal Eyes are the perfect solution for you. Accent is the head you attach to your LumiSpa device, and it's going to help you to target those hard to reach areas around your eyes. It's going to help you to exfoliate and invigorate the skin. LumiSpa Ideal Eyes is an eye solution that works perfectly together with Accent, and the viscosity in this product really allows the device to glide effortless over the skin. The formula is clinically proven to have many great skin benefits, and it contains ingredients such as plankton extract that's going to reduce the appearance of dark circles and help increase the appearance of firm skin. And it also contains a form of vitamin C that's going to help protect your skin towards oxidative stress. When used as recommended, this power combination will help you diminish the appearance of dark circles, puffiness, under eye bags and tired looking skin, and it's going to help increase the appearance of skin firmness, both underneath your eye but also on your upper eyelid. This is how you use LumiSpa Accent. When you finish cleansing your skin with the LumiSpa cleansing head, you take this off and you click on Accent instead. Then you gently apply LumiSpa Ideal Eyes underneath your eye and just below your eyebrow. Then you start LumiSpa Accent and massage the product in using soft and smooth movements. For optimal results, you have to use your LumiSpa Accent for 30 seconds on each eye, morning and evening. And then you simply switch your device off after you've finished, and if you have any leftover product, just massage it in and leave it on. So now you cleansed and toned your skin. You used LumiSpa Accent together with LumiSpa Ideal Eyes to get the amazing skin benefits that I mentioned earlier. And that means you're ready to take care of the rest of your skin. And you do that by adding a serum and a day or night cream of your choice. So show your eyes some love with these two amazing products. Enjoy!